In this video, you'll find out how to clean the milk nozzle and milk foamer of your WMF 1100S manually. The milk nozzle and milk foamer must be cleaned once a week. Switch the machine off. Pull out the cover of the coffee spout and remove the milk foamer, including the milk nozzle. Separate the milk nozzle from the milk foamer and open the milk foamer at the point provided. To prepare the cleaning solution, you will need the WMF Special Cleaner for milk foamers supplied. The special cleaner has a dosing device. To measure out a dose, open the bottle. Squeeze gently to fill the dosing device with 5 millilitres. Add the special cleaner to half a litre of warm water. Soak all the parts in the cleaning solution for at least 5 hours. After soaking, rinse all the parts with clean water and leave to dry thoroughly. Reattach the milk foamer to the milk nozzle. Next, place the milk foamer back in the machine and reattach the cover with a coffee spout to the machine. Your WMF 1100S is now freshly cleaned and ready for use once more.